Well, it's one of those cold winter days. It got kind of cool over here in Texas, and I'm going ahead and getting some parts for that 460 I got. These are the bolts for the rocker arms, and this is, of course, a Rock Auto site. What they provide sometimes is the little data about the actual bolt, and then they also provide the manufacturer's part number. Now, I'm not trying to advertise for Rock Auto, but I really like what they do there with their finding original part numbers and such. But I take it down here to my Excel list. I guess some of you have seen that. It's pretty exhaustive on all these project cars I've got, but I got a page for each car, each project. And then what I've got one right now open is for that 460. It's my first 460 I've ever played with. It's supposed to have been 28902, so I've been collecting all the little part numbers that Rock Auto provides and price. But here's the neat thing. That little box down there that had all those dimensions of the bolt. If you take your snipping tool down here on your, this is a HP desktop, take that little snipping tool and grab that box and smash it down. You can stick it inside of one little field there and save all that information, so that when you want to know that it's a grade 8 bolt, or it's a, you know, the length of it and its coarse thread, you can just kind of take that and save it and stick it wherever you want, you know, on the page. So what I do, I'm just putting it in the box where the bolt is itself, and just save it. And really, you know, you don't have to put it in that actual line, but I know it's way out there on detail, but you know, it's really nice having everything organized. Thanks for watching.